so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And look at where I'm at. I'm at a super center. But look at what it is. It's a delicious apple. I wonder how this apple got here. Every apple at the grocery store came from an apple field. First, you gotta pick the perfect fruit. Like this one. This one looks really tasty. And after you pick it, you put it inside the bin with all the other apples. Let's try and find an apple together. Do you see an apple? Ah, I see one. Yeah, look. Yum! It all starts by a worker hand-picking every single apple. And then they dump their sack into the bins. And when the bin gets full, a tractor picks it up and takes it away. Now that the apples are all out of the fields and into the bins, and the bins are full, now we need to transport them to the trucks! Wow! 4 giant bins full of apples. And 1 red tractor. Okay, the apples are now here at the semi-truck. Now we gotta load up all the bins on top of the back of the semi-truck with a forklift. The bins are loaded on the back of the truck, so let's go! Off to the factory we go. We've arrived at the factory, so now we need to take a forklift and get every single bin off the back of the semi-truck. It is time to clean and package all of the apples. Look, green apples. Now we need to empty the bins of all of the apples so we can clean them and package them. The apples start their floating journey, while the bins get emptied out. Look, the bins are empty. Whoa, that's a lot of floating apples. Then they get taken out of the water and scrubby-dub-dub, nice and clean. And clean some more. Look at all those bristles. Those apples look like they're having fun. And then all the apples get sprayed with some water. Nice and clean. and then they go through giant fans. Once the apples are all dry, they get sorted. They get sorted by the ones that look really tasty to eat and ones that don't look tasty to eat. And remember the not so tasty looking apples? Yeah, these are them. They get to go up some fun apple escalators, and then they get to go down some radical apple conveyor belts on their journey to make some tasty apple pie. But we're not done there yet. Every tasty looking apple gets a sticker. This is the sticker machine. And once every single apple has its very own sticker, they get put on what I like to call apple beds. And then the next step is that those apple beds get put inside of cardboard boxes. And some get put inside plastic bags. Oh, looks like some of these boxes need their tops closed. Now that the apples are all clean and packaged up, we gotta store them in a giant refrigerator and wait for the trucks. We're inside the giant refrigerator now. It is very cold in here. This is where all of the apples get stored. Wow! Look at how many apples there are. That's a really tall storage building. Yippee! The semi-truck is backing up to the building, so it can be loaded up with a bunch of fresh apples. Apples are almost ready for you to eat. We're currently loading them into the back of a semi-truck. All right, forklifts, just a little bit more apples. Now that the semi-truck is all full of apples, it's gonna deliver them to the grocery stores. Ooh, it was sure fun seeing how apples get to the grocery store with you. And remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.